In this video, we will explain the CS card Google Language Translator. It lets the admin add a translator drop-down for the storefront so customers can view the store in their own language. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. This is the admin panel. Go to the add-ons, then click on add-ons and again click on downloaded add-ons. Here you can see the Google Language Translator add-on. I have already installed this add-on. Click on this link, then click on the settings button. Here you can see the settings. If you want this functionality in the storefront, check the box, enable the tab for the storefront and click on the save button. To save the settings, go to the storefront. Here is the storefront, and this functionality allows customers to convert the entire website language into their native language. You can select any language. For example, I am selecting Assamese, and it converts the whole website language into the selected language. Click on the Show Original button. It converts the website back to its original language. You can see that it restores the website original language. Then click on Options, where you can turn off the translation for this website. It turns off the translation. You can also select any other language. For example, I am selecting Chinese Simplified, and it converts the website into Chinese. Then click on this option again and select Turn off translation for this website. It turns off the translation, and you can see the original language and text of this website. This is the functionality of the Google Language Translator add-on. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.